Hi kindergartners! Welcome back to Math with Miss Hulsart. Today we are going to practice counting on our number line and then you're going to go on a scavenger hunt. Let's get started. I want you to notice this number line looks a little different from the one Miss Hulsart has been using. What do you notice that's different about it? Yeah, we don't have all of our numbers. It still goes from 0 to 20, but we don't have all of our numbers written out. But let's practice counting just to see if they're all there. Get ready. 0, 1, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. They are all there. It just looks a little different. Let's practice counting on a number line that looks a little different so that we can see how it works. Now, let's find out what our numbers for today are going to be. Let's see. From 0 to... We're going to start with 10 and get to 9. Oh! We're going to start with 10. Where do you think 9 is on our number line? Yeah, 9 comes right before 10. So I'm going to put a... Friends, how many hops did we need? We only need 1 hop. Very good. Now I'm going to write this number sentence, and it's a little different this time. We started with 10 because it's a little different this time because our arrow is going this way. So even though we started with 10 and we wanted to get to 9, we can write our number sentence a different way. We have 9, we took 1 hop, and then we got, to 10. Your turn to read the number sentence. Get ready. Yeah, 9 plus 1 equals 10. Nice job. Let's try another one. We're going to start with 4 and get to 18. So we're going to start with 4. Let's count. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you knew it was right next to 5, you're absolutely right. And we want to get to 18. Well, I'm going to start at a number I can see. 15, 16, 17, 18. Very nice job. So we're going to put our red counter there. Now I'm going to put a hop for every single time we need to hop. You might notice that we are hopping forward. So this time we're still going to use a plus just like last time, but this time it won't be quite so tricky. I don't know why it won't let us use the other color. Let's see. And let's count our hops together. Get ready. 1, 2, 4. What number did you get to? If you said 14, you're correct. How do I write the number 14? A 1 and a 4. Very good. So, first I started at 4. Then I counted 14 hops forward. My answer is 18. Now I said it in words. I want you to read it as a number sentence. Get ready. 4 plus 14 equals 18. Nice work, kindergartners. For math, you only have 2 things to work on. So the first is this. It says, do we have enough chairs? And it's going to ask about chairs. It asks about chairs in class, but we're not in class. So it's going to be your job to count chairs at home. Now it's up to you if you want to count each seat on the couch. If you can fit 3 people on the couch, maybe you want to count that as 1, 2, 3. How many chairs do you have in your playroom? In the kitchen? Do you have chairs outside on the porch? It's going to be your job to go around and count how many chairs you have. Now, if you're doing this on paper, you can make tally marks every time you see a chair. If you're doing this on the computer, you might have to make tally marks on something before you come back so you can show me what you thought of. So it says, keep track of the number of chairs you count here. So just like Ms. Hulsart was saying, every time I see a chair, I'm going to put a tally mark, or I could put a check, or I could put an X, or I could just say 1, 2. It's completely up to you. Then it says, how many chairs are there? It says how many chairs are in our class, but we know we don't have a class. So how many chairs do you have in your house? When everyone is here, how many people are in, it says our class, once again, our house. So how many people live at your house? Are there enough chairs for everyone? So if I count that I have 13 chairs and there are 4 people who live in my house, are there enough chairs for everyone? Yeah, we have more than enough, so I would circle yes. So every time it says our class, I want you to think about my house and go and count how many chairs you have in your house. Now, the last thing you're going to do is practice counting by twos. First, you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to work on this. It says drag some students into the workspace. You can pick how many. Count by twos to find the total number of feet. Now the video is going to show you, if you don't know how to count by twos, that's okay. One thing you can do is whisper the first number and say the second number. So if I put 1, let's say I put 2 boys here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can whisper the first number and say the second number to help me to learn how to count by twos. You're going to choose how many people you put in the workspace and then count how many feet they have in all. I challenge you to count by twos. Have fun, kindergartners. See you next time.